My name is Cherie Askew Johnson, and I'm a graduate student at Western Kentucky University in the Communicative Disorders program. Today I'm preparing a video clip showing elicitation of a target sound using 3 different methods. I am with Tanya. The target sound she will elicit today is the S sound. The first method that I will use is the bite, smile, and blow method. Tanya will take her mirror and she will look into her mirror and she will bite, smile, and blow. Okay, very good. Now try it again. Now try it saying these 3 words: snake, snap, and snow.